Hi, AP Psychology. I hope you're doing well. Here is your week 4 assignment for the week of April 27th through May 1st. As always, everything is due by midnight on Friday. However, I have built in due dates into Google Classroom to help you manage your time. You are doing this right now, watching the video and looking over the weekly plan. Our weekly plan this week, will consist of 2 free response questions, 2 Zoom meetings, and filling in a cheat sheet that will help you on the AP exam. So I have put here as a second thing to do for Monday is to look at the College Board videos on sensation and perception. They are approximately 45 to 50 minutes each. Do not feel you have to watch the entire thing, but I think if you go through and you skim and you watch some and you fast forward through some, you will get a good review of sensation and perception, which many of you put on your survey a couple of weeks ago that you needed prep on. Then just write a few things that you learned or you might need more preparation for on a Google Doc and turn that in. Next, begin work on your free response question. These free response questions will consist of research design questions. You will have 6 tasks on the AP exam for this and only 15 minutes to answer. So we'll talk about timing and how to go about answering these questions in our Zoom meetings. But in the meantime, continue to work on them. For Tuesday, we'll have our Zoom meeting and we will go over research design. And you'll finish up on your free response question number 1. For Wednesday, you will be working on the cheat sheet for the scientific foundations of psychology. What I've done is I've pulled all of the key people and vocabulary that are in this unit that I think may turn up on the AP exam. What you should do is go through and make sure that you answer or fill in a phrase or brief word or definition that will give you a cue as to what it is, and only do the ones that you feel that you do not know. So, for example, I think we all know what biological psychology is. It's anything that has to do with your brain and behavior. However, you might need a little help on cognitive psychology. So write that down and leave biological blank. It is up to you which questions or which terms you answer. There aren't questions. I go through here, and so this covers the history of psychology and research of psychology, so those scientific foundations. That will be due for Wednesday. On Thursday, we'll have our Zoom meeting again, and you'll begin work on your free response question number 2, and you'll submit that on Friday. So that is our week in advance, in a glance, I should say. So everything due by Friday, but I've built in due dates to help you manage your time. Please reach out if you have questions. I look forward to seeing you on our Zoom sessions. Take care.